wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, damn mafia gang? You see what we are dealing with today, man? Your boy Jambisco back in the music lab, and today, yo, we got that Mr. Wild out tonight. Mr. Hell we raising at this. Mr. Sinful. Yo, now I'm thinking about it. That's some wild ass shit, bro. What the fuck? You don't know what I deal with today. We're there with RajahWild. You see me? And as I said, it's some wild ass shit. You know my name. What the fuck? Yeah. We're there with RajahWild and the one named Motion. You see me? He just dropped this like a couple hours ago. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even know. You know what I'm saying? I didn't even get no notification or anything from this. You know what I'm saying? I just saw your RajahWild drop Motion. I was like, fuck, man, I already dropped 3 tunes already. 3 videos already for you. I can't even drop the one. So tomorrow when I get this. You see me? Yeah, man. So RajahWild will drop a song called Motion. We're going to check it out and see what the wild out boss I deal with tonight. You don't know. Yeah, man. So guys, before we jump in a track, if you're new to the channel, if you just come to the channel, just know say in tune with the latest YouTube channel. Pan YouTube. Pan the internet. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and do the right thing from your heart clean, from your bad mind. You see me? From your mind not dirty. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button, man. Just do the right thing. Hit the like button to help your boy out, to help get my videos out there, help the channel grow. Listen, we don't need everybody over here, so me don't want everybody over here. So we just want the real people, them, the real supporters, them people with clean heart and a bad mind. That's all. If you're a fun nigga, you can just pass my channel. I don't need y'all over here. You know what I'm saying? But if you're a real supporter, a real person, that clean heart and a clean mind, and a real youth, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, hit the like and subscribe and come join the mafia family, man. You know what I'm saying? React to some music, all our vibe and all them things, the lives build it, videos build it, all that. You know what I'm saying? We don't need everybody over here. We just need some real people, some real support over here. We don't need everybody over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, and everybody want and we think over here, so yeah, we just want good quality people. Yeah, man, and let me say now we're there with RajahWild. The one that need Motion. You know what I'm saying? I want to check it out and see where dog I deal with. Now, you know in America, in modern times when they say Motion, we're talking about, yo, you got things going on for you. But you don't know, I don't know if I come back with another girl song as in show me emotion, the ring a rosy type shit. So me emotion are 2 different ideas me I get. You see me? So we're gonna see what I go on with the sinful boss I deal with today. We not hold up the vibe much longer, you know, I jump right in the track. This is RajahWild Motion. Let's get it. Wait. Don't tell me say it's a junk or the girl dressed up as, bro. Don't. Or tell me I'm just reading into shit too much, please. No, I never again. Yo, no, I never. No, I never, bro. Come on, bro. What you doing, bro? What you doing, bro? No, I never. Where you saying to my name, bro? Where you saying to my name? Just be real. Which part of Santiago, bro? Cause from what you just pop up out of nowhere and just broke people foot. King Cam. I mean, you just work with Shane Creative or the, you know. Wicked Media, all of the bad blood clean video man, them. Me not sleep no more. I know I never alone, me I say, unless no one never is a blood clean group and inside on one of them there, cause yo, no one never just broke people foot from the other, no joke. Me not see the regular camera videographers again, bro. Real shit. But like I was saying, bro, is a junk or the girl just pass, bro? I'm just read it. Let me see what I want. I feel I'm just read too much tonight. Let me see what I want.
Sinful. But when I time them I like.
The man have a blood clot fall in the beginning of the video, dog. Now abandoned house, dog. Now middle of nowhere. Rajah, please don't traumatize me, brother. Please, me I beg you.
Yo, Frank White.
Hold up, dog.
Never say. Man. Show me emotion, show me a flow with the ocean, show me a throat, come and know your work, yeah.
See this fuck shit I'm talking about, bro. The man down on abandoned house would be a dopey. I talk about show me emotion. You see me, show me a flow, girl. Show me a throat back, come and know your work. What? Bro, Rajah, this song ain't even start 35 seconds good yet, bro. But let's get it, come on.
Tip by your toe, make it throw back. Show me your far on the road, go up all out. Show me say you're mad, show me something new. Show me say you're bad, show me say you're bougie. Show me say you're mad, show me say you're sin. Let fall your pride in your yard when you pull up on the block. You for a while, you for that. Remember say you a bitch.
Man say if you left your pride at your yard when they pull up on the block, if you wild, if you dark. You man have it dopey, them a broke out, bro. Yo, you. Raja? Bro, I don't know if a scary movie or a music video me I watch more time, me I watch a thing, me Jesus. Just hold it down, no dog.
More while left for back. Alright, back in your jazz. Shake your bed up, hate it jealous. Please get attacked, she raising hell up.
This man say, shake your bed up, hate it jello. Hey, Roger, you wrong for that. You wrong for that, bro. You remember Haiti, you have an earthquake, bro. Damn near destroy everything, bro. You wrong for that, Roger. Wrong.
She make it shake with a swear, see a jello, but it big, so you hear me, I tell you. Show me emotion, show me a flow with a ocean, show me a throat, come know you're a warrior. Dip by your toe, make him throw back, show me a father, the road to a pole. Show me say you're mad, show me something new, show me say you're bad.
Hey, bro, this like the same rhythm when you go with Wild Out. Who jump on the beat the other day? Was it the Senegal boss? Was it what was it Nigeria? I think he was the one that on the beat. I'm like, yo, this sound like RajahWild beat there. And look at Raja jump on it now. But yeah, man, it fit him, man. Tell you, this got the same Kumina feel there. Yeah, y'all don't know deep in Jamaican history that shit from.
Show me say booty, show me say. She make it shake like banana tree. In a little shot, just could a banana leaf. Liana with the fat underneath, just a ball and a beg for the banana, please. I shoot turning off fan, breeze. I shoot chop it like bam, ease.
She be turning off breeze. I should chop it like bam. So you mean, yo, this bad. Man got all like dopey and the mad people, man, and ghost them wilding out, bro.
I should rub it like Bobby Phillips, cause she white, she a sinner free. Show me emotion, show me a flow with a ocean, show me a throat, come know you're a warrior. Dip by your toe, make him throw back, show me a rougher than the road, go a Portland. Show me say you're mad.
Man say, girl, show me say you're rougher than the road, go a Portland. I know they have fix it, bro. Come on, now it's 2020. Road have to fix, man.
Show me something new. Show me say you're bad. Show me say you're booty. Show me say. Man, left all your pride in your yard when you pull up on the block. You for while, you for dark. Remember, say you a bitch more while.
Why blood clean? Why Raja just like you name blood clean Trevor Everall or one of them names?
Left for back for right back in the jazz. Mad, shake it bed up, hate it jealous. Please get attacked, she raising hell up. Just me shake with a swear, see a jello. But it big, so you hear me, I tell you. Mad.
Easy, you know? RajahWild, Mr. Wild Lord. Yeah, man, the one named Motion. That come with another one for the girl, them, man, son. Yeah, man, the girl, them, I love the one day. And this can play with Wild Out. So you can play RajahWild back to back club, you see me? If them nowadays DJ don't even know if a blood teeth juggle music again. You know what I'm saying? And none of them don't practice or study them craft no more, you know. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, bad trap, man. The beat definitely fit Raja, a theme type of thing, this theme style of thing, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, it sound just like the Wild Out song, you see me? Yeah, man, so but Raja Dim thing, man, definitely one for the girls, very creative video. You know what I'm saying? Raja, the one thing I only complain me have, brother, is like when I watch a music video, I know if I don't pay show me I watch. You see me, sometimes I watch a music video and feel like Freddy Krueger or Jason. You see me, I go pop out as a feature, bro. You see me, I'm going to spit some bars, man. You see me, but yeah, man, really good look. I like the video. Shout out to Now and Never, Rupi. You see me and Zimmy, I see they doing their thing, bro. You see me, I see they all work on this project. And the video mad, I like the video. You know what I'm saying? Shake me enough out. You see me? Definitely, it's a mad video, man. You know what I mean? I don't like the demonic shit and all that crap. But then it's all, I would say, if you don't know, those things are part of Jamaica. If you know what Jankono is, you see me? Dressing up in stuff like that, just like the devil and all that, but they deep root in our history, you know what I'm saying? Usually it's to make fun of the devil, you know what I'm saying? And to like cast away by spirit, but the way they might do it nowadays, I don't know. But yeah, man. Check out Jamaican Jankuno and them thing there, you see me? And you realize how deep history go with them thing there. And you realize, say, on a long time, people are play them thing, dog. You see me, like, you be thinking, like, say, people are telling them, so I'm worship the devil, man. Nah, that. With junk and them thing there, people used to dress up as the devil and all type of demonic spirit. But the rituals they would do and the dances was actually to, you know what I'm saying, it was all costume and part of the, you know what I'm saying. So it's a deep thing, a very deep thing. But them youth nowadays, they definitely use it for the wrong thing though. You know what I'm saying? They matter about sacrifice this with this skull, that and right. Them definitely misuse, cause you don't know, there's certain teachers passing down now, and you can use it for good or bad. It's a tool, and you can use it for good or bad. And most of the time they use it for the wrong reasons, and that's when it become demonic and it become evil and all that stuff. But we don't get too much into that. This is not a history class. As you learn about them thing, they go Google them thing there damn self. Me do my learning, you go learn on the learnings. Although I say it does not make no sense. But you don't know what time it is. You don't know about Jambisco. I was here hit and station. Banger. Till next time, Dan Mafia. Let me know what one of your part. If you like the show, the artists and love and support, make you know that Jambisco and me dropping a request, all that. You don't know, we're lit. Taking it to the top, guys. We're coming to take over this shit, bro. We're not playing no more, man. Make sure, yo, if you're just new to the channel, I just come in, hit the like and subscribe button. The most important thing is the like. Let my channel grow, let more videos get out there. You see me? And like I said, we don't need everybody over there. We just need some. We don't need everybody over here. So, you want to bad mind people, want dirty hard people, want to make up blood clot germs over here. So, we want some real people, some real soldiers, some real youth, some real woman over here. So, and all that vibe. You see me? So if you're real and you know, say your heart clean and you're down bad mind, hit the like and subscribe button. You don't know, become part of the family, and we're gonna take over YouTube. You don't know, we don't need everybody over there. So just do the right thing and hit the like button. You don't know, boy, Jambisco. Till next time, guys, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.